Yo, what's up guys? It's Sean back with another video. And today, we're going to be showing you guys how yes, you, and you, and you, and you can get a free custom, oh, this is how you can get a free custom keyboard. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the App Store. You want to search up Swift Keyboard. Keyboard. Download it. Okay, so once you download it, you want to just go to SwiftKey. Hit get started. Do not now. If you can log in with your email if you want, and the full access. So it says follow the directions. Hit SwiftKey. Hit take me there. And go to keyboards. SwiftKey should be checked on, and then allow full access. Allow. Go back to SwiftKey. And it should recognize that you've done it. And now you can just go to themes, and you could choose any of these. It's like the custom keyboards and stuff. It's really cool. These other, yeah, whatever. Anyways, but how to make the custom? You go themes, sign your theme, access photos. Yeah. So you can just take any picture. I'm gonna use this motion blade thumbnail, like that. See how that looks? It looks pretty cool, but I would rather use a different one. The try photo. Terrible photo. I use this. Use like a thumbnail art. Thumbnail art looks cool on it. Okay, so and boom! Look at that. XD. Okay, whatever. But guys, that's how you can make a custom keyboard. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Peace.